Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best sprinkler controller that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best sprinkler controller. Remembering to water your lawn or flowers is a huge part of keeping them growing healthy and strong all season, but it can be difficult to manually do this every day. This is especially true if you plan on going on vacation or you'll be away for a few days. You can't leave them without watering them, and a sprinkler controller system can help you keep your watering schedule. Number 5. Sprinkle Control 16-Zone Wi-Fi Smart Irrigation Controller. Control by disables the system based on current, forecast, and past rainfall. It uses up to 7 days of historic accumulation. Use our freeze alert option to turn off the system. Main features: save water and money. Easy to install. Stay informed. Number 4. Rain Machine Cloud Independent Smart Wi-Fi Irrigation Controller. The system not only saves water but it also protects your plants. The versatility of each program is unprecedented. Select individual weekdays. Main features: smart schedule and save water. Control from anywhere. Updated model. Number 3. Netro Smart Sprinkler Controller Wi-Fi 6-Zone compatible with Alexa. It helps to reduce unnecessary water usage and keeps your garden healthy. Unlike the existing smart watering systems which require users to manually. Main features: easy installation, water restriction, fully automatic. Number 2. Rainbird SST600 and Sprinkler/Irrigation System Controller. Designed for indoor installation within a garage, home, or waterproof shed. Sealed case to protect against moisture, insects and grime. Main features: superior long-lasting durability, built-in surge protection, one-touch seasonal adjust. Number 1. Orbit 57950 Beehive Indoor. A perfect timer for new installations or for replacement applications. Available in 6 and 12 station models to cover most residential sprinkler systems. Main features: ultimate Wi-Fi and timer control. Durability and security. Easy to install. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.